3 ways to take care of your air conditioner. With hot and humid summers coming around the corner, it is important to make sure your air conditioner is running smoothly and efficiently. Below are a few tips to follow to ensure your air conditioning unit is running at its best. 1. Get a professional to inspect your air conditioner at the beginning of the season. Getting help from an AC repair professional at least once a year will ensure you that your air conditioning system is working properly for the upcoming season. It is important to remember that failing to maintain your unit will lead to its shorter lifespan and possibly permanent failure. 2. Keep your air filters clean. You can keep your furnace filters clean either by cleaning them or replacing them every 3 months. Even when the weather is warm, filters that are clogged with dirt and debris means that your unit will work harder than it needs to and use more energy. 3. Keep the area around your condenser unit clean. Typically, the condenser unit of your air conditioning system is located outside your home and tends to gather debris in the area. Get rid of such debris. Cut the grass and weeds in the area to prevent any obstructed airflow from the condenser's fan.